Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to unbox super clay that I purchased recently from Flipkart. I will be sharing the link in the description below in case you wish to purchase it. The clay came perfectly packed in a bubble wrap. We get 12 different colors of clay. Each came in an airtight plastic cover so that we can use how much ever is necessary and seal the rest. The clay is soft and pliable and it is not sticky. This gets dried after a few hours, so always keep them sealed. Along with this we also got 3 tools. Let's see how we can use them. This is the first time I am trying my hands on clay, so please bear with me. I am trying to make a flower using yellow and black color clay. I basically bought this clay for my 10-year-old daughter. She had a wonderful time trying out different clay models using it. I will be sharing her clay projects in the end and you can tell me which is better, mine or hers. So this is getting a nice flower like shape. I am going to use a tool to make some design on it. I think the petals are less, so I am going to make some more petals. I'm going to make some designs on top so that it looks more beautiful. That's it, my flower is ready. Do let me know how it has turned out and whether you like it. So these are some of the clay miniatures that my daughter made. I hope you like them. Clay art is a good activity especially for kids during holidays. It brings out their creativity. If you are interested, you can also purchase this for your kids. So I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.